Understanding the problem. Solving problems is the main task of computer science, which is the job of computer programmer. Programmer must first understand how a human solves a problem, then translate it into a set of instructions in a programming language that a computer can understand and execute. The following 5 steps are involved in problem solving on the computer. Defining the problem. Initial stage, understand it. Defining the problem is the initial stage of problem solving. It is very important to understand the problem before the programmer starts working on its solution. The following are the steps to properly define and understand the problem. Carefully read the problem to understand what it tells. Find out what the problem asks to do. What information can be obtained from the problem? What is required to be calculated as the solution of the problem? For example, Problem 1. A person is unhappy with a product or service he/she has purchased from a company. After reading the above statement, we understand that a customer has purchased any product or service from a company and now the customer is not satisfied with it. This statement defines the problem clearly and requires the solution. It is a general type of problem. Problem 2. Finding average marks of a student. It is clear from the problem statement that average marks of a student have to be found. This is a numeric problem. Analyzing the problem. At this stage of problem solving, the programmer investigates the problem and gathers as much information as possible to find a solution. The following questions are to be asked to analyze the problem. Is it possible to solve the problem on a computer? What is to be done to find the solution of the problem? What is the proper sequence of steps to solve the problem? What are the inputs and what output is required? How many solutions are possible? Which solution is the best and why? How will the solution be implemented? To analyze the problem 1, given above, the following points are to be kept in mind and some information is to be gathered.